we're looking at here is the knee model. Let's look at the structures we know before we look at the structures we don't know. This coming down is our quadriceps femoris tendon going into our patellar ligament. This bone on top is our femur. We can see, if we look around, we can see our little adductor tubercle on the medial side above our medial epicondyle, and on the other side we can see our lateral epicondyle. We see our weight-bearing bone, which is the tibia, and the skinny bone on the side, which is our fibula. We know this is medial because of the presence of the tibia. The tibia is always on the medial side. So if I pull back this tendon, just a second, oh, here we go. What we find is our patella on the inside. I have a separate patella that we're going to look at in just a moment. But once I open this up, I can show you a few of the ligaments. What we have on the lateral side is our lateral collateral ligament, and on our medial side we have the medial collateral ligament. You'll notice that the lateral collateral ligament has a little bit of space between the ligament and the bone, whereas on our medial side we are adherent to the bone. We have virtually no space over here. If you look underneath, you see two ligaments that cross, one in the anterior and one in the posterior. The word for cross is cruciate. It's the same root word as crucified. If you are a Christian, you know about Jesus was crucified on a cross, and sure enough, these ligaments cross. The one in the anterior is the anterior cruciate ligament. If we turn it around, the one on the posterior would be your posterior cruciate ligament. Okay, going back to the anterior, we see two cups or discs here. We have a smaller disc here. This is a smaller O-shaped disc on the lateral side. This is our lateral meniscus. And we have a larger, deeper C-shaped disc on the medial side. That is our medial meniscus. One injury that we talk about in lecture is the unhappy triad. The unhappy triad occurs when you have a very strong blow to the lateral side. The force comes in, hits the lateral side, and the force is transmitted across, tearing the ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, medial meniscus, and the MCL, the medial collateral ligament. So I'd like to take a look at this patella. So I have a patella in my hand. This is the patella. If we look at it separately, do you see it's got that diamond shape here? That is our patellar surface that's going to articulate right here. It's called the articular surface because it articulates here with the femur. So if we put the patella into an anatomical position, the pointed part on the bottom is the apex, the flat part on the top is the base, and the smooth part that articulates with the femur is the articular surface.